Things you will need for your flower nails: a pair of tweezers to pick up the flowers, a dotting tool or whatever tool you have to push the flowers onto your nails, base and a top coat nail polish, and also a nude nail polish. Then you will need a book and some baking or some thin paper. And finally, the most crucial part: flowers. Add the cleaned flowers between a baking paper, then put them between a book and let the flowers be pressed and dry there for at least a week. We are starting with the right hand. Add the base coat and nude color and let them dry. Then add the top coat and start immediately placing the flowers into your nails. You want to start with bigger flowers. I'm adding them into the center, but the pieces are still somehow touching the corners of the nail. Once the top coat on the big pieces have dried, I will once again start working with one nail at a time by adding the top coat and then putting the smaller pieces onto the nails. By the way, this was my first time putting these real flowers to my nails, so please watch till the end for the tips, and I will also show you guys how these will look like after a few days. Then we are doing the exact same thing in the left hand, placing the bigger flowers first in the center and then filling the rest of the nail with smaller flowers. I think that they looked cute this way too, but I felt like adding more pieces, so you can add as much as flowers as you feel like. And they are done. What do you think? I think they look so cute. You breathe me in like air tonight. Let yourself unwind and get lost in the... What's up guys? So it's a couple days after I did these nails or put these flowers in my nails. They didn't last very well because I swam, I washed the dishes, and I also went to sauna, so I did everything with my hands. But I gotta say that they still look pretty nice. But you have to remember a few things before you try this out. So try them flowers for at least 1 week, because I only did it for 1 day and they smell interesting. I'm not saying that they smell bad, but they do smell interesting. So if you want to get rid of that smell, then you have to try them flowers for a longer time. Also, use enough top coat. Then pick as many flowers as you can find, because I didn't, and I can tell you guys that these flowers, when they are alive and fresh, they look different. They also get a little bit smaller and lose their color. So when you have a lot of flowers, then you will have more options. And that are my tips for you guys. Next time, I think that I will make them look even more beautiful. I learned a lot from this experiment. And yeah, comment down below if you will try this out and what do you think about these nails. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.